In order to purchase videos on Decypher, you're going to need to have an Ethereum wallet hooked up to your browser. The simplest way to do this is through the Google Chrome extension MetaMask, which you can download on metamask.io. I'm going to click Get Chrome Plugin, which will take me to the Chrome Web Store, and then I'm going to click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. This will add MetaMask to your browser, and you can see the Google Chrome extension is synced right here. MetaMask will pop up a window called How It Works, where they show a little introduction video, but I'm going to give a walkthrough on my own of how to use MetaMask. So I'm going to click on the MetaMask extension, scroll down through the Terms of Service, and click I agree. Then I'm going to click Create a New Vault, and you need to enter some sort of password that you're going to remember. I will click OK. Now it's going to give me a 12-word seed that can be used at any time to recover my private key should I need to do so. So it's important to write this down somewhere. I have a folder called keys on my desktop, and I'm just going to make a new file called metamaskseed.txt, paste it in, and save it. Now I'm going to go back to the MetaMask extension and say I've copied it somewhere safe, and I have a brand new MetaMask account. Now, if you click this button here, it will show the different backends that MetaMask can connect to. By default, it connects to the Morden test network. But in order to make a purchase on Decypher, you're going to need to be connected to the main Ethereum network. And because we changed the backend that MetaMask is connected to, we're going to need to log back into the wallet. It might give you a message right here saying that this is beta software and you understand the risks. And hopefully, if you were watching this video, you're already fully aware of that. We are on the bleeding edge here. Now that our browser is hooked up to an Ethereum wallet, we can log into Decypher. Because I've been messing with the Chrome extension, I'm just going to refresh the page so that the state is starting from scratch, and then I'm going to click Verify Ethereum Wallet. This will pop up a modal explaining to us that the login process might be slightly different than anything you have ever seen before. MetaMask is going to pop up a window that's going to ask us to sign a string and verify our wallet. The string that it's going to ask us to sign is the SHA-3 hash of the string Decypher DC. You can verify this on your own if you want to. Essentially, by signing this string, we will be logging into Decypher. But really what we're doing is logging into our browser and then using our wallet in our browser to verify our identity. This is different than the way you would normally log into a website by filling out a sign-up form, giving your email address and password, and then getting a verification email or something like that. Now, just a note, this process is not going to transfer any Ether or expose your private key or anything like that. It's just signing a verification message. So I'm going to click Continue, wait a couple seconds, and MetaMask will pop up this window asking me to sign the string, which is the SHA hash of Decypher TV. I will click Sign, and this will verify my identity. So now my wallet is synced to Decypher, and you can see that by this green button in the bottom right corner. In order to purchase the series, you're going to need to have Ether in your MetaMask account. As you can see right now, I have 0. So if you already own Ether, all you need to do is transfer it to the address that MetaMask gives you right here. But if you don't have Ether, well, you're going to need to buy Ether, basically. So the easiest way to do that is through Coinbase.com. All you need to do is click sign up, go through their sign up process, and they have a simple UI for buying Ether with. But the problem is that depending on what country you're in or how much Ether you're trying to buy, they might have a bit of a stop gate where they need to verify your identity. So it might take 2 or 3 days to actually get the Ether. Another way you can do it is Kraken.com. I highly recommend this site. You can create an account and buy Ether, but they also have some sort of security process depending on what country you're in and how much you're buying that might give you another stop gate that takes a couple days to get authenticated. So if you really want to watch this series and you don't want to wait 2 or 3 days to get authenticated through one of these exchanges, just ping me on Twitter at alwaysbecoding and I'll send you some Ether you can use in the meantime. But I'm just going to go now continue on with the assumption that you have access to Ether, and I'll show you how the rest of the process works. So I have 5 Ether in this account now, and I'm ready to purchase the series. So I'm going to click Purchase Series, and it's going to ask me if I want to make this transaction, and right now it costs 3 Ether, which is approximately $30 US. I'm going to click Accept, and it's going to say that it's waiting for the transaction confirmation. So it sent the transaction to the Ethereum network. Now it's just waiting for confirmation. I can click this button to view on Etherscan this transaction hash, and this will update live with data as it comes in. So I can see that the network has received the transaction and it's pending, and it's waiting to get mined into the Ethereum network. So I can wait on Etherscan and keep refreshing this to watch it get mined, or I can just wait on this window. This window will self-destruct once the transaction has been confirmed. This entire process should take less than a minute normally. So the transaction successfully mined. Now all the videos are available for me to play. I can click on any one of them and watch. You can click the Decypher logo to go back to the previous page at any given time. And just a note, there's 8 of these videos that I'm launching with, but there will be more than 20 when I'm finally done with it. If you buy the videos, you'll have access to all 20 videos as they are released, and I should be putting out a couple each week going forward.